we're solving two things with our stock tokens. One is giving our EU customers exposure to US equities, which is one of the most requested features. The second is really demonstrating the beginnings of what we believe is the future of the financial system. We think that crypto and traditional finance will eventually fully merge, and the technology will underpin any tradable asset. And you'll get the liquidity and the 24/7 trading of cryptocurrency applied to traditional assets, which I think is a very powerful thing. It's useful for public stocks and also private stocks, which we have the ability to tokenize as well. Right? Well, it's live today on Arbitrum. So we've been working with the folks on Arbitrum, which is an Ethereum layer 2, for the initial release of our stock tokens in Europe. But we have been working on our own chain, the Robinhood chain, and we've been hard at work. We'd like to have that powering the underlying infrastructure and all the DeFi elements. We want it to be the best chain optimized for real-world assets, which I think is an important niche that's missing in the market. And for that, it has to be secure, basically military-grade security. It has to be fast, low cost. So we felt like that didn't really exist. And so we're excited to bring that to market. Yeah, I mean, we announced a lot of new products. You mentioned staking, which has been live in the European Union for our customers here for many months. And it's actually been the #1 most requested feature in the US. So now that's live. And I think it's two things that are interesting for staking. One is, from a practical standpoint, it allows holders in the US to earn yield on their Ethereum and Solana and expanding to hopefully any stakeable asset in the future. But also, crypto is all about us coming together individually and collectively to secure the network and the blockchain. So the participant, the individual, is really the network, and staking allows that to be opened up to the millions of... Yeah, two things. One is, I think this is the year and the time is now for crypto to move beyond Bitcoin and meme coins and introduce fundamental utility. And that's why we're most excited about tokenization of real-world assets. Real-world assets with utility being live on blockchains and getting the benefit from everything that crypto technology has to offer. That's one. Two, we think in the future, crypto and traditional financial services will fully merge, and crypto will become the infrastructure layer behind all kinds of financial services, from payments, which you're starting to see with stable coins, to holding deposits, which has been the realm of traditional checking and savings accounts. So you'll have stable coins that pay interest in the future, including USDG, which is the stable coin that we've helped create. And then, of course, investments with tokenized private shares, equity stock tokens as well. What you're starting to see is the entire financial system being possible to build on crypto technology. And, you know, what we can do is show what the world looks like if we rebuilt Robinhood entirely on crypto